Alright boys, here's how you can make around about $500 every single day from the stock market. This is the amount of money I made today. This is on the lower end to be honest, but this is just proof that you can make this every single fucking day. So let's get into it. I'll show you the exact strategy, everything I do. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is the stock that I traded today, Peggy, right? So how does this work and how can you replicate it to make $500 for yourself every single day too? So let's go. So first thing you need is a gap scanner. You can get this so many different ways. You can get TradingView, you can get FinViz, YouTube. There's so many different ways, but you need a gap scanner. So I have my gap scanner over here. And like I said, I've mentioned this so many times. I only consider a gapper if it's above 20%. So for example, Duo over here is gapping up 18%. I won't even consider it because it's below 20%. I only consider the ones that are above 20%. So this, etc., etc., etc. Then I put the ones that I like on my watch list. I share my watch list in my community every single day. But these are the ones, the one in red, that the one I watch list. Now, you go through all the gappers and you pretty much see which one you like the best. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. Some stocks are very overextended at the open, right? Like extremely overextended, meaning they gap up and then when it opens, they're like making new highs and new highs and new highs and new highs and new highs. And when it opens, they immediately crash, right? You don't want to be trading those type of stocks. What was it the other day? It was crazy. ATNF, I think it was. This one gapped up a crazy amount and it just crashed. So you can see over here, it gapped up like 1,000%, maybe something like that. Yeah, like 854, 900%. It gapped up so much. As soon as market opened, it just went down. You don't want to be trading these stocks. You want to be buying the stocks that have the ability to go up. And one of the key characteristics of these stocks is the fact that they aren't overextended at the open. This is extremely overextended in the open. You want to avoid this at all costs. Now, the one I bought today was Peggy. And you can see this one is not overextended at the open at all. It's not making new highs every second and just going up, up, up. It's almost like it's beaten down and it's like people are ignoring the stock. But that's what you need to see. Now, you need to look at the gap scanner every single day, identify the stock that looks pretty much like this. This is a very good example. And then you need to go ahead and trade it every single day. Quick heads up, I have my free trading bundle, link in the description. It includes a free course, ebooks, checklist, template. It includes so much. Check it out. First link in the description. It's completely free. It's pretty beneficial. So once you've identified the stock that you like from like the 10 that are gapping up, you want to wait for a signal. Now there's many different signals, indicators, blah, blah, blah you can choose. The one I like the most because it works extremely well is the bull flag. The bull flag it's like the mother of all like patterns. Like if you had to only choose one, if I had to only choose one patterns, I would choose a bull flag any day over a pendant, over head and shoulders. I would just do a bull flag. Now bull flag is very simple. Bull flag, you can see multiple of them over here. This is a bull flag over here. This is a bull flag over here. This is a bull flag. This is a bull flag. There's so many bull flags. This is another bull flag over here. What is a bull flag? So a bull flag is very simple. You need to have a green candle, aka a push up. You need to have some down resistance, and then you want to have a new push up. So this is like the perfect example over here, right? Over here, we have a push up from what is it, $7.98 all the way up to $9.51. Then you have temporary pullback. This is where the price goes up, price goes down over here. Then we have another stock, another candle that goes and it breaks the previous ones open, right? So if I move this out of the way, you can see that this green candle, it opens over here and then boom, it goes up and it breaks the previous ones open. That is where you want to enter on a bull flag, right? So you would enter somewhere over here, roughly, let's say, and then boom, you made 25, 30%. You see what I mean? There's multiple different ways that you can kind of do this. Another bull flag is over here. You can see that this is where you would be entering. If I just take this out of the way, this is where you would be entering. So we have an initial push up, we have a pullback, another one going up, and as soon as it breaks this level, you want to be buying. So you'd buy over here and then continue going up, right? Now the stock's dumping. I've long sold, so that's really good. But that's kind of where you want to be buying. So you want to be looking at these type of stocks, kind of beaten down, that are gapping up. Then you want to be looking at a good entry. The best entry, like I said, is a bull flag. You have entry over here, entry over here, entry over here, here. There's so many different entries. So that's what you want to do. And that's how you can make $500 every single day. People in my community do it. I've mentored so many students that can do it. I know friends who can do it. You can do it too. There's no reason you can't do it too. And $500, by the way, is really not a lot of money to make in this market. There's people I know making thousands and thousands of dollars per day. Like this, it's not like the craziest thing in the world to make $1,000. but $500 is definitely possible if you try. Aim for 10% per day, aim for 20%. Bro, if you entered over here, you would have made like 28% to the top of this. So aim for 15%, 20%, 25%, whatever you think is best, and stay consistent with it. And day by day, you make a little bit of money, more and more and more and more, and then it adds up. That's how you can make $500 a day. Now, if you're serious about this, you can join my community, the Draco Room. Now, you can see over here that I posted my current watch list for like today. I put it on the watch list group, and you can see that these were the ones I chose: Heps, Jay-Z's, and Peggy. And I said this was the most likely one that I was trading. And you can see the wins tab. Luke over here made $827 today. So like this guy made more than me today. So someone in my group made more than me. That just goes to show you how like easy this is as like a strategy. So if you do want to join the group where I share my watch list and I share like trade reviews, in-depth trade reviews, the one I just gave you was like a little one where I give you literally in-depth trade reviews. Join the community. I'll give you my watch list. You can have other people in there. People are winning. They're making like this guy made $1,500. Like people are making so much money. So if you're seriously committed to this, join the Draco Room. Second link in the description. So if you want to watch how I made $6,377 in 9 minutes, click the video that just popped up. It goes through my like trade, what I did, etc. Again, just a quick reminder, get the free trading bundle first link in the description. If you want to join the Draco Room, second link in the description, join it, it's pretty good. Subscribe, like, see you guys next time.